balikan mo na lang paglabas. Totoo. Sayang yan. Pag 72, din wala ka. Ate, kakantihan na.
800m 앞에서 직진하세요.
Where we're going to?
National Museum.
By the way, 저는 한국 사람입니다. I'm Korean.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Yeah,
you.
반갑습니다. You watching K-drama?
Yes.
Oh, really? You speak Korean? Little? 조금 할죠? No.
No.
학생이에요? You student? You student?
Yes.
Oh, where?
And you.
And you? You student, right?
Yes.
Who is the national hero here?
Jose Rizal.
Oh, what is the name?
Jose Rizal.
So, who is the first president in the Philippines?
Emilio Aguinaldo.
Oh, very good. 좋아요. I want to learn Tagalog. Can you teach me Tagalog?
Go eat.
직진하세요.
Ina will teach you.
Oh. Yeah, by the way, what is your name?
Norman.
Norma. And you?
800m 앞에서
Rhea po.
좌측 차로
Rhea? Rhea. Next,
Ina.
Ina. Yeah, nice to meet you. 반갑습니다. In Korean, 반갑습니다. Yeah. Just call me Mr. He.
Mr. He.
Yeah. My first name is Opang. And my last name is He. So, you call me Mr. He.
200m 앞에서 좌측 차로로 직진하세요.
You teach me Tagalog.
Go Ina.
Maybe basic Tagalog.
좌측 차로로 진행하세요.
What word do you want to learn?
Like,
800m 앞에서
where are you going?
직진하세요.
Saan ka
Saan ka pupunta? Saan ka pupunta?
To the moon.
Inaabangan ako na mawala, kaso lang ang malala, nagdapa kakatingala.
No.
Yeah. My friend, Filipino friend, joking to me like that. Yeah, that's why he said it to the moon.
To the moon?
We're going to National Museum, right?
Yes.
What is inside the National Museum?
Some artwork.
Artwork.
Yeah, from the Spanish era.
And why are you going there?
Busy.
Why are you going there?
Ina ba daw pupunta?
200m 앞에서
To take pictures.
직진하세요.
Oh,
Take
picture.
pictures.
What is the national animal name?
Para makita.
Carabao?
Carabao.
Carabao.
Carabao. Not horse.
No.
No. How about the national dance? Oh. Maybe you good in school. Yeah.
Yes.
You study hard.
Sorry?
You study hard. You good in school.
But
Yeah.
Yes.
1 plus 1.
2.
Ooh. How many zero in my nose?
How many zero
Yeah.
in what? Sorry?
How many zero in my nose?
usually
Yeah, very good. Very good. Yeah, 좋아요. 2. You know what?
No.
I have 2 0 in my nose. How old are you?
15.
50. Oh, very young, very young. And we're going to entrance. The other side, right? The front
Yes.
side. College?
No,
High school.
High school. Oh. Senior high school?
Junior high.
Oh, what is the grade?
10.
10. Oh, grade 10. I think he's there, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
This one.
We go in front. Oh, very hot.
Yes.
So hot today. Oh, so many people here.
Yes.
Go inside. Hmm? Where? There?
Yes.
Dito na lang tayo. Sigurado kayo?
Opo.
Galing niyo mag-English. Galing. It's a... Ano sagot? It's a...
Sa prank.
It's a prank. Oo. Wait lang, may kikwento ko sa inyo. Actually, naka-video po tayo. Video po tayo. Hindi niyo ako napapanood, no?
Napapanood po.
We!
TikTok.
Totoo?
Kaya sabi ko sa TikTok, di ba?
Nagano siya kanina.
Talaga? At least, siya hindi ako napapanood. So, kayong dalawa napapanood.
Siya lang po.
Actually,
Siya?
kanina nga po sa McDo, sabi ko, what if ikaw po yung nagtitiktok na ano?
So, may idea na.
Opo.
So ito medyo 50-50. Ito wala talaga idea. So it's a prank. So ngayon, ang tanong, okay lang ba i-upload natin sa aking social media account? Lang ba? I-upload
Okay lang
natin?
po.
Okay lang.
po.
Sige. Ingat kayo ha.
Opo.
At nakakas ba kayo?
Papapash
So,
po.
nakakas kayo dahil nakakas kayo, it's a free ride.
Totoo po.
Totoo po.
Oo, nag-free ride talaga ako sa mga, lalo na mga estudyante na sama ko sa content. Nililibre ko ng pamasahe.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Mag-ingat kayong mabuti at mag-aral kayong mabuti.
Thank you po.
No? Oo, bye-bye.
Ingat po.
Sana may matutunan kayo dyan, ha? National
Thank you
Museum.
po. God bless po.
Bye-bye. It's Don Bertos TV, the Korean prankster, at nakabunit tayo ngayon dahil lagi tayong nahuli ng ating mga pasahero. Nakatulong talaga ang ano to. Hindi makikita yung kulay ng buhok natin. Talagang disguise. Okay. And it's Don Bertos TV, the Korean prankster, and the great pretender, na palaging nagsasabing, I'm not the greatest prankster, but I'm the great pretender. Hey!